Welcome to part 2 of how to create an accessible Word doc. In this lesson, the Yankton Institute's Kate McDowell takes us through how to create an accessible PDF from the Accessibilized Word doc.
Step 2. Accessibilize in Adobe Acrobat. After opening the document in Adobe, go to File, Properties. To be 508 compliant, all PDFs must have a title, author, subject, and keywords filled in on the Description tab of the Properties window. Then, click on the Initial View tab in the Properties window under Window Options. Change Show to Document Title. Click on Advanced tab to ensure language under Reading Options is English. If the document is in a different language, select it from the other options. After updating the document's properties, go to Tools and select Accessibility. On the right-hand side, there should be a set of tools related to accessibility. Select Full Check and start checking to search the document for any issues. Look at the issues the check found. In the sample document, there should only be 2: logical reading order and color contrast. Because we use Calibri and use only black and blue font, we know our contrast is strong. Right-click on the color contrast and select Pass. Next, we need to check the reading order. Navigate to the Tags tab of the Accessibility tools. This may be on your left-hand toolbar already. If not, right-click and select Tags. Tags show the order in which a screen reader will read your document. It is so important to look through to ensure it will be read logically. To do this, select the first content tag of the document. In this sample, it's the first P, and use your down arrow on the keyboard and scan through the reading order. On this document, you'll notice an empty tag between the introduction paragraphs and the Q&A. This should be deleted so that a screen reader doesn't read it as space. To do this, right-click on the tag and select Delete. While going through the tags, you may have noticed the Northeast ADA Center logo was not included. This is because in the Word document, the logo is in the header. We want to include that logo and add alt text to it, but we need to do that at the first page, because that is the only time the image truly adds meaning to the document. To do this, select the Reading Order tool from the right-hand toolbar. Navigate to the first page of the document, and using the Reading Order tool, highlight the Northeast ADA logo. After you release your mouse, a blue box should form around the image and Reading Order window should allow you to select the content type. Select Figure, then right-click on the logo and add alt text. For this example, we can put Northeast ADA Center logo. After doing this, go through and check the reading order of the document once more. Now, run a full accessibility check again and make sure no other issues arose. We can now right-click on Logical Reading Order and select Pass because we checked through the reading order twice. Congratulations, you've successfully created a 508 compliant document.